I'm going to be doing a full look for every one of you. It may be a voice cover because baby is here and it's not going to be easy. Pardon me, and I'm so sorry. And whatever you are hearing in the background, if the voice is not okay, it's not clear, or is a little bit late, whenever I'm trying to explain it when I'm about to do the voice cover. Okay, so that is it. Is your baby girl, and you can add me on Instagram by Bianca/makeover moi, on Facebook Bianca Bellezza girl, the same way on YouTube without the TV. Okay, so that is it. On my page is Mondo di Bellezza. Okay, grazie a tutti, un bacione, iniziamo. So today this is the palette, this amazing palette that I'm going to be revealing, that I'm going to be using. You guys know this is my palette. This is the most beautiful palette ever that I've come across. So yeah, I will be using my eyeshadow, my concealer to conceal before going to the eyeshadow. So I do recommend always to use your concealer or your eyeshadow base before starting your eyeshadow. Is very good and okay on your makeup. Okay, so now we'll be going to the color, and there is a part that I supposed to add here whereby the part supposed to be me showing the color, but I'm just using first just like nudes to set it up, then I'll be showing the rest color like the normal nude. You can use any of your nude color you have in your house to set it up, you know. So sorry guys for the noise, I'm outside here, you know, you can be hearing noise. So this is the color that I'm going for now. That is hot yellow color, and it's a fall look, you know. Anything concerning the fall look is just yellow. So that yellow is poppy, and I'm going to be using that yellow to blend the makeup line, blending it. Okay, so keep watching. Okay, as you are watching, don't forget to subscribe and yeah, hit the notification bell so that whenever I have any video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, thank you for subscribing, and God in heaven will bless you. So the next color is, I'll be going to this other yellow, but it's just like, it's not that is should I say orange yellow, something like orange yellow. It was more darker or orange yellow. Let's just take it orange yellow. Okay, can easily get it, or golden yellow like this other one too. All these are 4 colors, you know. Very soon our tree here in Italy, everything will be yellow, brown and green, little bit of green, but everything will just be yellow and brown. I love 4. So this is the color I'm going into again. Just follow the step, and I will be using it to blend. Okay, it's blending, I will be gisting with you guys. I've already done the makeup, it's just for me to do the voice cover. So make sure you blend, don't follow our process. But I just try to you know, make this video a little bit long, like me blending, and very soon I'll be doing my video so short, like 10 minutes, highest will just be 11 minutes. So I'm allowing the video too long so that you people can come along, grow with me, learn with me, like we can perfect our makeup together. Okay, so that is why I do like take the video to 30 minutes, 40 minutes, you know, depends of how the video will go. So I will just keep on blending till I will be adding the next color. And the next color I have here is the same yellow, just to blend the color. Just I don't need any arch line. So on top of my upper crease, I'm going to be using the same yellow that I've used before to finish the makeup, like using it to blend everything. So this very brown, I will be mixing it together. So I'll be using it down, like to shaping it, just to make it more brown, you know. Anything concerning 4, it is brown inside. Okay, so that is it. Anybody that have encountered 4, you know what is 4. What 4 means, like when leaves are yellow, when leaves are brown, and that is it. So yeah, I'm using concealer to cut it just down of my tears line, down of the water line, you know. So I'm using my concealer to just give that cut over there. So now we'll be cut creasing. This is not just perfect cut creasing, but it's just a cut creasing that I just, you know, I did because I want to add gold to it, you know, concerning the same fall look that we are talking about. A little bit of gold is needed, like add gold that will just make it pop as a golden queen, you know, as a golden queen, goldy baby. You got to add gold to that as a gold queen you have. So this is the brown gold. This brown gold represents the brown leaf. Okay, it represents the brown leaf whenever the fall is taking place. Okay guys, for now I don't have the opportunity to snap any tree that have already started is fall or whatever. Am I gonna explain it? So I'll be using this green on my waterline, and yeah, this very green that I showed before. I show the green. Sorry guys, I was just looking at something else and my attention was just here is the foundation. Okay, it is called Makeup Forever. Can you see that? Makeup Forever. I don't know if the way you guys will see it. You see it more better, but this is it. I just apply my pants primer and that is what you are seeing on my face. So let's just go. My camera is something else, I don't know. I just spray this from. Okay, this is it. Let's see. Cover the blood of Jesus. I want to see because the set is a full covered. Let me use my hand, the hand that I used to apply primer. So I took light color because I have all that dark shade. The darker shade that I have, you know, I wanted to miss it in case whenever I want to use it I'll just be missing it. But as I'm going to be doing the review of this one, I don't think I will miss it now. Oh my god, I just go far. This one. So I will be using my beauty blender to blend everything out. Let's see how it will go. Okay, the beauty blender, I just dab it a little bit inside water, like, yeah. You know, when dabbing it, you dab it into your water and you start to blend. Let me take my mirror. $24 okay. I think I still need to dab to it. Okay. Okay, for this Makeup Forever Professional Paris Matte Velvet Skin Foundation, it's a full coverage, you know, full coverage foundation, 24 hours, 30 ml, and the shade Y415. So this is the number, the one that I have here. Yeah, the color, the number is Y. Shade is a little bit light, you can see that. I needed it this way because winter is on the way now, so during the winter it will be a good idea for me, whereby I can easily, you know, use it in, you know, winter. You normally, while your skin will just a little bit lighter than the one you are now. Color why by winter the skin is a little bit lighter. Okay, so that is why I'm using this Douglas concealer now. So I'm going to be blending everything now. In this process I normally do spray bottle. Just because I'm using too much of matte, I'm not going to be spraying it now. Yeah, we just blend everything now. Make sure you blend, okay? Don't follow the process because I don't want the video to be that long, so we just be blending it off camera, the way I normally blend to my satisfaction and to the way that I really need the makeup beautiful, wear flawless. Okay, so I'm going to be blending it off camera. Okay guys, if I should say for the makeup or for the foundation, guys, if I should say the main truth, there's nothing like my ZK foundation. My ZK foundation is everything to me. Like, my ZK foundation is life, is everything to me. For the coverage, is okay, it's fine. But I mean, it's fine, it's okay. Makeup Forever foundation is okay. It's a matte product. In case you have oil, you can go for it. It's not expensive. I think it's just 39 euro or 37 euro or so, almost 40 euro. Okay, almost just 40 euro, you know. Yeah, so at the same time, the next thing is for me to, you know, use my banana powder to set it. So I'll be using a little bit of darker shade so that everything will mix. You can see the neck, everything is just okay for me. So I'm going to be contouring now. Don't be scared about the banana powder I have over me, because I want the contouring to be pronounced. Okay, we just blend everything. Follow the shape of your face. Okay, so for the nose, you blend towards your eyebrow this way, and you need brush of contouring. Okay, so you're gonna do it so beautiful. I'm gonna blend everything together because I don't want to have any harsh line. For the nose, after the highlighter, you will see the difference. Okay, so you surely see how everything went. Okay, the highlighter now and blush. I'm going to be using my powder highlighter. Don't need it that much, but I'm gonna try as much as possible that I don't have too much of highlighter. But I love whenever I'm smiling, my cheek is so poppy. Yeah, just a little bit of blend and everything. Just blend it so you don't have any harsh line. That is why normally whenever I'm applying my highlighter, I try to blend after adding 2 here. Then you blend it everywhere, like nobody can see where the harsh line is. So just look as if everything is from the inside. Can you see that? So you can see that everywhere is glowing. Okay, with the same brush, it's not that you are going to tap again. So that is it. This is the finished look of the makeup, and I hope you love it. I don't know where to showcase it, whereby you get to see more better. Let me try this because I'm back here, baby, and yeah, baby is sleeping, and I'm just gonna rush it by saying whatever I want to say. The foundation is okay, the review is okay. Manage the video, guys, because with baby, you guys know that it's not easy. And baby Serena, you guys know how now. The famous celebrity baby Serena. Can stop for the whole country. So this is the follow